Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ty Tucker. If you're new here, welcome. If you aren't new, well, welcome. Today's video is a dark smoky glam look. I don't know what got me in the mood for it. I was just chilling downstairs with my fiance. I was like, you know what? I haven't uploaded a video. I haven't created one yet. It's Monday. I need to do one. So I came up with this look today and I hope you guys like it. If you want to get this look, then keep on watching. But first, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm doing a giveaway. Like I said in my other previous videos, I'm doing a giveaway for the first 500 subscribers, and the first 1,000 subscribers, I'll be doing a giveaway. The 500 will be about 1 to 2 people, and then the 1,000 subscribers, I'll choose 2 to 3 people randomly. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, hit the little bell button to be notified when I upload. I don't know, I just had a mind fart there for a minute. Also, if you want, go ahead and add my Snapchat to be kept updated, and please go follow me on Instagram. I will try to follow everybody back that follows me. So all you have to do is be subscribed and follow my Instagram. Go ahead and leave a comment down below saying done, or leave a nice comment, leave a bad comment. Just leave any kind of comment. Even leave your Instagram handles down there. But anyways, if you guys want to see this look, then keep on following. Thank you. I forgot to do this. Oh. Alright, let's get started. So first, I'm going to go with my MAC Cosmetics Painterly Paint Pod. And I'm going to apply that all over my eyelid like so. Now I already went ahead and did my foundation and my eyebrows, my contour and my highlight. You guys already seen me do that, so if you haven't already, go ahead and check my other 2 videos out down below. And I get ready from full bare face to glam face. Today I'm just going to go ahead and do my eyes. Today we're going to go with the Morphe palette, the 35V palette. I just used this in my last video. It looks something like this, has a whole range of colors. Today we're going to go for a smoky eye, so it's going to be very simple, very quick. That's why I got my gray contacts in. First things first is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take, from the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe collab, I'm going to take the JH33 brush. It looks something like this, little buffer brush. And we're going to go in with this transition shade right here. We're just going to go ahead and apply that all over the eyelid. And we're going to bring it up like so to the eyebrow. This one is just your transition shade, so it's just like your base shade, I guess you can say. Alright, next we're going to go in with a little bit of a darker brown. Same brush, the JH33 brush. We're going to go ahead and take this brown right here. And we're going to apply that in the crease and bring it up to our eyebrow area, like our eyebrow bone area. So we're going to start right here. And we're just going to bring that up. And out. Up and out. Just buffing it, making small little circles as you go out. That's the most easiest way for me to buff out, is to do small circles. And bring that up just a little bit more. We're almost going to be touching our eyebrow right here, almost, but not quite, leaving a little bit of a gap. Alright you guys, after you got that laid down, we're going to go ahead and take this darker purple shade right here, this medium brown purple shade from the 35V palette, and we're going to add that a little bit lower below the surface right here, where the crease is. We're going to add it just a little bit below into the darker area. We're going to pack it on though, like so. You could use a packing brush also. I really like this brush to do this. In the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe collab palette, in the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe collab brush set, they do have a packer brush. It is the JH41. It's a flat end bristle brush, like so. I like that one, but we're not going to use that today. So we're going to keep using the same brush right here. We're just going to pack that on just a little bit, just to add a little bit more dimension and bring it up. It's easier to hold your brushes lightly versus like gripping them on like a pencil. I like to hold them out towards the end because it gives me more of like a leniency with the brushes.
Just gonna bring that in and back up. Kind of touching that little lighter shade that we used.
Alright, after you have that laid down, next we're going to go with the JH30 brush. It's a bigger bristle brush like so. It has a really nice density to it. This is where it gets fun. We're going to go ahead back in with that 35V palette from Morphe. We're going to take this deep black shade right here. We're going to pack that on, tap it out, and we're going to add that to the whole bottom part of our eyelid like so, like this. Right here where it starts, we're just going to dab it on like that. Don't be afraid with this. This is the whole point. And we're going to bring it out. We're not going to use this brush. I lied. We're going to take that packer brush that I talked to you about, the JH41 brush. Now we're going to go back in and we're going to dab it in there.
You want to fill the whole part below your crease of your eyelid. We want to fill that in. Now this is a real pigment black, I tell you. Oh, Lord. Just want to keep packing that on like so.
Alright, now going in with a smaller buffer brush. We're going to take the JH40 brush. We're not going to add any more product, but we're going to go right where that crease is and just start blending it out.
Holding it softly, doing small circles. You want to go above the crease, right into those two other colors that we laid down. Bring the corner out and bring it back up to where your eyebrow bone is. Just like so.
If you guys see right here on my eye, I can zoom in just a little bit for you. If you can see on my eye right here, I don't know if some people else have this. I know a couple other MUAs have this. My skin on my eyelid does not take pigment very well, no matter what color it is, or if I have primer on it or what. It's always this eye and this spot right here. So it's not that I missed it, it's that my eyelid just does not hold pigment there. Like I can add more and more and more and it will just fall off. Alright, after you got your top of your eyelids done, we're going to go ahead and jump right down to the bottom. We're going to go and take that JH33 brush again. We're going to pop on some... We're going to take that JH33 brush again, that flat bristled buffer brush. And we're going to go and jump right into this shade right here. Ooh, it's like a nice purple shade. And we're going to apply that all over the bottom lash line. Alright you guys, after you got that purple laid down, we're going to dip right back into that black shade again. And we're going to add that all below our bottom lash line. Oh. And get some black on your nose. It's fine. Alright, taking that JH33 brush again, we're going to go right back into that purple, and we're going to add it on below the black. It's giving your eyes some dimension. Alright, I don't know if you guys can see, but all this fallout right here, that's why we also put down powder right there, is to catch all that fallout. Because now that we're done like that, we're going to take this brush and just brush all that powder off like so. Same thing on the other side. Alright, you guys, we are back. I went ahead and applied my Lilly lashes in Miami, and I lined my lips from MAC Cosmetics and Skin Down. Next, we're going to go ahead and we're going to apply our Taunt from Morphe lip. And apply it all over the lid really quick. Alright, you guys know I am a sucker for nude lips, so you can't do a nude lip without applying some lip gloss. And we're actually going to take LA Colors. I believe this is from the dollar store, actually, to be honest with you. It smells so good, though, but I love this lip gloss. For being a dollar store lip gloss, it is like, it's pretty poppin', honestly.
It smells so good, and it applies so thickly, too. Is thickly even a word? It applies so thick. But it's not heavy wearing.
Alright, on to the final step, and that is highlight. I am stuck between doing Jeffree Star's King Tut or Wet n Wild's Boston Glow. I just don't know which one. We have King Tut, or we have a Swatch Thumb, or we have Blossom Glow. I have an idea. Let's apply both of them. We're gonna apply both of them. I'm gonna take my handy dandy flat brush, fan brush from Sephora. We're just gonna apply that.
Oh. That Wet n Wild's Blossom Glow.
Girl. Look what I just did. My life. Alright, now that we have that laid down, and a broken Jeffree Star highlighter, we're gonna dip right into this one right here. Oh, wow. We're going to apply that right on top.
You know, I don't always like applying my highlighter with a fan brush, but today, we're going to do it.
Gosh, his highlighters are just everything. Alright, you guys, that's today's look. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hit that little bell to be notified when I upload. I upload every Mondays and Wednesdays. I'm going to try my hardest to upload every Wednesday. Currently I'm in nursing school, so it's kind of hard, but I'm going to do it. I'm not going to let you guys down. So, thank you so much for watching again, and until next time. Bye, guys.